Every banknote begins inside a highly controlled production environment. Bring the forks in low and secure the load.
Watch the clearance on the right.
Heading to Inspection Station 3. Specialized materials must pass strict checks before production begins. We are clear for transfer to the secure section. Acknowledged. Closing the blast door.
Careful control ensures every material batch is precisely managed.
Before printing, each material layer must be carefully prepared.
Every production batch is verified before entering the next stage.
The production process begins with precision printing technology. Multiple controlled stages create the foundation of each banknote.
Check the color registration on this corner.
Looks consistent with the standard. It's good to go.
Each stage builds greater detail into the finished currency.
Advanced manufacturing adds carefully controlled security features.
Roughness is within tolerance. Confirmed. Consistency looks good on the batch. Send it through.
Precision control keeps every production stage consistent. Precision manufacturing transforms printed sheets into finished components. Every detail requires exact control throughout production. Everything looks stable here. Material flow is consistent. Tablet readings confirm the vibration is within tolerance. Careful engineering prepares each component for final assembly.
Precision assembly brings every production stage together.
The alignment on Unit 4 seems stable now.
Yes, the calibration held. We are good for full production.
The assembled components now move toward final refinement.
Systems check complete, we are clear to proceed. Alignment confirmed, ready for activation. All right, powering up the main feeders now. Final treatments refine the appearance and durability of each note. Rework the batch on line 4.
Acknowledged. Diverting the materials now.
Final verification prepares products for strict quality testing. Every finished sheet undergoes detailed quality verification. These results look good. The opacity levels are stable across the samples. Confirmed. We can authorize the shift. All readings are stable and within specification.
Good. Tag it for the next phase.
Multiple inspections ensure consistent quality throughout production.
The welding parameters on line 4 are still showing variance.
Yes, but the engineers are adjusting the calibration now. The output looks good.
Approved products move forward after passing strict inspections.
Final packaging prepares completed products for controlled distribution.
We need this pallet on Alpha 7 right away.
Got it. Heading there now.
Careful logistics connect production with worldwide distribution.
Staging Area 3 to control. Pallet 4B is secure and ready for transport. Over.
Copy. Dispatching lift now.
Finished products enter a carefully managed logistics network.
Bay 4 is clear now. Take it there.
Copy that. Moving now.
Every shipment receives final verification before departure.
And this is how millions of products are transformed from raw materials into reality.